Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a beautiful chocolate truffle cookie recipe, so let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need to make these cookies: 125 grams of softened butter, 75 grams of icing sugar, 115 grams of plain flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar together till it's nice and fluffy, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. So into my electric mixer, I'm going to add the softened butter and the icing sugar. Now we want to cream this together till it's nice and fluffy. Now it's a good idea to scrape down the bowl and give that another mix. You want it nice and creamy. I'm going to beat this now for about 5 minutes. And then just add your sifted flour. And then followed by your cocoa powder. And you just want to mix this into a cookie dough till it all combines together. So now just add your cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix the dough till it's all combined. So once all the ingredients are mixed in, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get yourself a nice workable dough to make your cookies. I've got a couple of trays here which I'm going to bake my cookies on. I've just lined them with some greaseproof paper, and we're going to just put those to one side. You want to get yourself another 2 pieces of greaseproof paper, and the cookie dough is going to go on there, and then another piece of greaseproof paper over the top, and then we're just going to roll this nice and even. Now to even it out, once you've rolled it, just keep your rolling pin nice and straight, and we're just going to level it out a little bit because this cookie dough is quite soft. It's easy to mold into a nice level dough. There you go. Now, time to cut the cookies. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can just use a glass, because the dough is actually quite soft, and just give them a bit of a twist like that. So carefully lift off your cookies, place them onto your baking paper, and leave a little bit of a space. Now you want to bake these cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the strength of your oven, and we want to set the oven and preheat it on 160 degrees, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 3. Okay, the cookies have come out of the oven. They've had 15 minutes. They're nice and flat. Let them cool down for about 5 minutes, and then what we're going to do is transfer them onto a cooling wire, and we want to let them cool completely. Over a pan of simmering water, you want to put in 100 grams of butter, and you want to put in 120 grams of a really nice dark chocolate. Just mix this through now till it starts to melt. And I want 4 tablespoons of just pouring cream. And then just mix that in. Now into this bowl I've got 300 grams of icing sugar that I've sieved. Chocolate, melted chocolate, truffle mixture into this. Get the whisk in there. Okay, I'm using a piping bag with a star nozzle. I'm just going to put the truffle mixture inside here. Well, to finish these lovely cookies off, I'm going to sprinkle some drinking chocolate over the top. It's a lovely sweet addition. These cookies are amazing. They've got a lovely truffle mixture in between those chocolatey biscuit top and bottom, nice and crunchy. This is a fantastic gift for a friend, or if you just want to indulge in that chocolate treat. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Check me out on Facebook and Twitter, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Have yourselves a fantastic week, and I will see you on my next recipe.